We have showcased and tested many different indicator and strategy on this channel. We have also seen comment asking to review paid indicator to see what the win rate is and if they are worth pursuing. So in today's video we will showcase an backtesting and premium indicator package and seeing if the indicator are worth purchase. The indicator we will be testing out is the trend checker indicator. The trend checker is one of the cheaper premium indicator with package rating from $100 to $600 depending of if you would like VIP membership or consulting call which included teaching about risk management, OI data and many other topics. The trend checker package consists of two indicators, trend checker A, trend checker B. Now let's head over to a trending view and the indicator to the chart. Let first change and trend frame of the chart to the 50-minute time frame. After the head over to the indicator source, click on the invite only script. We will selecting the trend checker A and trend checker B indicator. Now let's take a look at how indicator work and how we can use them to know when to enter into position. Let's first take a look at the trend checker indicator. The indicator remind me a lot of the mentioned cheaper B indicator. However, after putting them side by side, we can see a clear difference. The indicator provide many crossover signal and is smaller account of different signal. On the other hand, trend checker B seem more smooth and provide fewer crossover signal, but those signal do seem to be more accurate. The second indicator we added to the chart is the trend checker A indicator. If we open the setting tab, we see the flowing. The indicator can display blessing, the SSL, ATR band, AJMA and EDSMA and many other type of moving average and indicator variant. Of those feature, the most percent one is the blessing and the moving average. The indicator can be used on it on the entry into a position. We will enter into a buy position when we flowing condition have been met. Firstly, we will need a buy and signal to be given. Secondly, to violate the entry, we will need for the blessing to be green, showing us that the short-term trend is blushing. Finally, we will need for the price to be trending above. We will placing the stop loss at the recent swing low. For the take profit, we will target 1.5 times risk to renew ratio. Now let's see how the trade play out. For a sell position, the opposite we will need to be true. Firstly, a sell signal need to the position we will chart. After a happen, we confirm the entry by checking if the blessing is a green. Is the price of trading above the moving average? As you can see, all the conditions have been met. So let enter into the sell position. We will be place the stop loss at the recent swing high. For the take profit, we will target 1.5 times risk to reward ratio. Now let's see how the trade play out. Even though the indicator work well, we still see the losing trade and provide to all avoid this losing trade. We will embed the trade checker B again the integrate into the strategy. However, before that, let's also change the indicator setting to optimize it for the strategy. However, to the trend checker air indicator setting and click on the input tab, we will be unchecking CSSL line after that negative to the style tab. We will uncheck the candle size, exit arrow, trend checker 2 at the escape checkbox. After doing that, we will change the moving average also color to white. That also all that we needed to do. Now let's take look how we will ask both a indicator to entry into a position. Let's first take a look at when entry into the buy position. Firstly, they will need a bullish discourage on the 10 checker B indicator. This means that the price we will need to make a lower low, will the blue wave make higher low. To make the easier to see how you can draw line on the price action and the trend checker. To confirm the signal, we will take a look at the trend checker A. The blessing we will need to be a green indicator that the short term trend a bullish. Finally, the price we will need to be trending above the white moving average. If all those conditions have been met, we will enter into the position. We will place the stop loss at the recent swing low. For the take profit, we will target 1.5 times risk to reward ratio. Now let's see how the trade play out. To enter into the sell position, we will first and need to see a disaverage on the trend checker B. The means that the first need to see price making higher and higher will the blue waves make our low highs. If this the case, we will check the trend checker A. Here we will need the blessing and the red and the pricing trending below white moving average. All of the condition have between mid to we will enter into the sell position. We will place on the stop loss and recent swing high. For the take profit, we will target 1.5 times risk to reward ratio. Now let's see how the trade pay out.